day today, and Matthews is freaking sleeping in. Oh shit. He's gonna know where. He's like sleeping, but the HELLCAT's over there. We're about to go to my boy VTUNED shop, fix the frame, hopefully all today, but we gotta wake this kid up. So I got some water, and I mean, come on, man. You oversleep, you know what's gonna happen. It's 10:30, bro. We gotta fix this HELLCAT. Come on. Damn, son. She needs some Judas Garage action on that. All right, guys, buckle up. We got a big day. Ready to work?
Ready to drink.
He's ready to drink beers and watch us freaking.
You ain't
crank.
working? You working?
I'm working. That's all I know. That's all I know is grind. Frame master. If there's ever any frame damage on YouTube, they say, bring it to be tuned. Yo, look at this. The buggy wheels. Dude, they're heavy as hell. Look at that. All right, so I have a dash, and I have an extra set of wheels. I have fenders, and look around. There's no room. So the goal is to get this thing good enough where I can drive it from Georgia all the way to Florida, 6-hour drive.
Car?
Yeah, it's either that or I gotta rent a U-Haul. You think that's like a possible probability?
Sure, you could, as long as the hoses are good. You
Yeah,
can drive it.
that's what I was thinking.
The bumper on, put everything together.
I know, it'll be like finished.
You're good to go.
So I like to hear. She's pretty freaking ragged though. Look how dirty it is.
Dirty, but it's not. That's like a tire.
Yeah. No accidents, one owner, clean title, and the owner before me meticulously maintained it. Well, what do you think? We should pull this thing off?
Yeah, let's get it off.
Let her rip. Oh, look at the tire, look at it. How am I looking, Matthews?
You're looking.
Oh.
Right a little bit.
Can't scratch the dubs.
Cut the wheel right a little bit, yeah.
Should we do a smoky burnout? All right, let her rip, Tater Chip. I can't see anything.
Then you put it on the dyno?
Yeah, you plug this in. You plug this in and extra horsepower. Actually, it's a hybrid actually. It's a new thing they got going on. You charge it up. Here, I'll grab the light stuff and you get the heavy stuff. Oh yeah, no, those are actually specially forged. Yeah, it's a new style. They haven't came out yet. They're called the Amish. Put on. You said put on launch control. I'm thinking though, when I do the off-road build, I'm gonna do like the shocks out the hood.
Like the hoops?
Yeah, the hoops. So I'm thinking of a custom, like a name for this, you know? So like, I wanna be really unique, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking like, Mini Max.
Mini Max? It's a little generic.
How about, since it's red, Ruby?
Come on, I know what you're doing.
All right, so we just got, well, when I say I mean Ben, got the radiators off, and those are new. The guy I bought this off of literally put new radiators, everything in it, because they used to be smushed in, but check out the rails. So this rail, what do you think, it's a little kinky?
This one could probably be pulled out.
So we can pull this is what a frame machine does. You hook up the chain, which is right here, to the rail, and it just yanks on it. Like, it's that simple. That's why we put the clamps there. And now this rail, even though this is the mangled rail, this one didn't even get kinked, right?
No, it didn't get kinked.
So this one, we're just gonna splice in with the new rail, and then this one we're gonna pull straight, and it'll be just like OEM. I mean, a little bit not like OEM, but as close as it needs to be. In the future, when I do the pre-runner, like I wanna do the crazy off-road build, I might just chop these anyway and make it like a tube front end. For now, we're just making it like OEM because we gotta drive this thing like 1,000 miles home. So maybe not 1,000, like 500 miles or home. That's stock. No, you put the exhaust on, right? Damn, son. Oh. All right, guys. First McLaren 720 startup. Probably never do this again until I get one for myself. There we go.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing something a bit different. We actually got Judas Garage here. He actually has a YouTube channel too. And you guys probably seen he rebuilt that Corvette. Yeah,
That was good though. That was good though.
just need to be more relaxed there.
Bro, come on, you're the freaking what's the word? The veteran in this.
It's Corvette, but he actually bought. Did I say Corvette?
The Corvette.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Your regular one.
You're exposed, bro. I'm getting all this.
You better have your 40,000.
Got Ben, aka VTUNED, in the cut. Legend. Look at the precision. Look at the precision on that hammer strike. He does it with elegance. Every hit, we're one step closer to perfect. I do rebuild stuff, okay? I hit the fender on accident. Put it in slow-mo, extra dramatic. My man here just said, I got lucky.
Yeah, that it bent in front of the subframe instead of the...
Like right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hot. What if if it was back here, what would have to happen? We'd have to drop the whole subframe.
If it was back here, yeah, we'd have to do that. You'd probably end up having to replace the subframe. It'd probably be bent. Also, you wouldn't want to really be replacing anything that's further back.
Because then it's like sketchy.
Yeah, it's a lot sketchier because it's more structural here.
Yeah.
When it's just that just holds the front nose cone, like your radiators and all that. So it's not really like structural. Everything back is OEM, so...
So we're minty.
Yeah, like
bro,
when you buy a car off the auction, this is like what you want
yeah.
right here.
Yo, where's your helmet at?
Yo, look at this. We got the new frame rail. That's not new. It's, pre-owned. And we're splicing it in right now. When I say we, I mean Ben. We got the old one cut off, and it's about to fit like a glove. We're about to splice it in, and then we just got to pull that other one back, and then we're going to be A-OK, looking minty fresh. With a warranty. Ben warranties it for 100,000 miles. We got VTUNED here, fixing her up real nice. So we got the new frame piece on, or not on, but we got it cut. When I say we, I mean Ben, but we're about to weld this in. When I say we, once again, I mean not me, I mean them. Alright, so you guys know I'm trying to do like a TRX off-road HELLCAT. So check this out. Like, imagine how sick this would be. I'm trying to have it like a rally truck. Be able to jump this at like 100 miles an hour. It's gonna happen. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how I'm gonna afford it. That never stopped me. We're gonna figure it out. But now you guys see the vision.
All right, Judah got his fake flex in. Let's go.
TikTok, 1 million views. Charlie D'Amelio, hit me up. Dixie D'Amelio.
Oh my God, Judah just caused
To me.
beef.
You think you could get me?
Absolutely not. Let's do it. There's no way.
I think
I'm
you
gonna
could
do
get me.
it. I don't think so, but I'll do it.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
You gotta get closer. Looks pretty minty fresh. $137 later, look at here's the old one. The end was cut off for some reason. I have no idea why. It was supposed to look like this. So on the way home, since it's a 1,000-mile round trip home, the radiator could have slipped off. So I just went and spent 137 doll hairs. So we have that little rib. So we don't have a radiator hose pop off. So,
Ribs are always better, right?
yeah, now we don't got to worry about it. So now we're going to install this as a group. So a minor setback for a major comeback. We are looking freaking, I don't even know what we're looking like. We're looking OEM. So look, this is the old frame rail, and look at the new frame rail. Like it never happened. What should we do with this? Put on a chain maybe? Gold plate it? Give it to one of you guys? Comment down below. Should we give you guys one of this? Give you guys the frame rail?
Options are
Matthews
endless.
will sign it.
Options are endless.
Options are endless. Look, you could hit someone with it. You could put on a chain. You could
Put
hang
on
it
a
on the wall.
keychain.
Yeah, keychain maybe. Look at that. Yo, Ben, what do you think?
That's dope.
That's clean, bro. Look at it in the pocket. You see that? How fly is that? Matthews, rate it 1 out of 10.
1. You got that weight on you?
Yo, sign this with me. We're gonna give this to a fan that follows me and VTUNED on Instagram. Go check it now.
Hey, stop playing with them. They,
Wired up. Hey, hey, look, we're the cops.
Hey, call
you
the
didn't even know. You didn't even know.
Watch what you say around me now, bro.
Yeah, you're wired up.
How's your taxes going, bro? You been paying your taxes?
I have been paying my taxes. I actually pay extra, so they don't even want to.
We got him. We got him. Over and out.
Look at this on view. Come on now. Yo, you proud of this job or what? It looks good. I approve. I don't
Everything
know.
lines up beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, they're so tight.
Tight.
Oh, she fits.
Why are they so long?
I don't know, man. I tell myself that every day. We got a redneck AC, or no, oh my God, a redneck coolant bleeder right now to get all the air out of the system. Look at this. We got a Gatorade bottle. Oh.
Holy shit.
Gatorade bottle, what is this? What is this, fruit punch?
Yeah.
Or Cool Blue?
I think you're good, bro.
Fruit punch? Does it matter? So let me ask you this. You're an expert. Does it matter what flavor
Yeah,
of
you have
Gatorade?
to get fruit punch.
Oh, okay, okay.
GM.
Yeah, for GM, you need fruit punch. All you guys watching out there.
Can you take it for a little test run?
Hop in.
Well, come up. Why wouldn't you go all the way up?
Don't tell me how to live. All right, son, let me get in there.
Valet parking, bitch. Ben should drive and you should ride past and squeeze that bitch up.
Guys, first drive in the house.
All right,
The seatbelts are locked up.
Yeah,
Yep.
so you gotta be careful.
it's all right. Careful is my middle name. No, danger is. Oh!
He said, yo, he said, I just fix this shit. I'm not easy on it. I'm ripping
Well,
it.
it does have low gas.
Yeah, let's go get gas. Mopar, baby. I hope these wheels are on tight.
I don't think I tight.
I know I didn't tighten them. We don't got much tread, so I might as well slide it. All right, we gotta break in the frame rails. Oh! I was at the curb. Matthews, I almost hit you, but I was watching. We popped the tire!
You gotta go.
Oh my God, what are we gonna, oh my God. What are we gonna do?
Let's go.
I'm kidding, hop in.
It's all right.
I'll ride it on the rims home. Think we make it back to Florida like this? Oh, I think it's all right. Oh, the inner fender well. This is crazy. This is like those hood rat kids at car meets. That's what type of that's what type of burnout this is. Like in a like a Civic though, usually. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my. Bro, it's toasted. Do you know anyone that can patch this? I got no freaking traction.
Oh, my bad.
Don't scratch my bumper.
Yo! Oh!
Oh my God.
Damn, boy!
How did that just work? All right, guys, well, she's coming right along. Don't forget, remember that 500 bucks I saved when I bought this on the coin flip? Well, I'm giving this $500 to one of you guys that follows me on Instagram. So go follow me right this second, because I'm gonna be choosing 5 people to give this 100 bucks to. Also, we have big freaking news. Oh, just hit my face on the wheel. So, have you guys been following me for a little bit, or if you're new here, I have a 2016 wide body 800 horsepower Hellcat. And since I just bought this car, it's time for me to get rid of that car. So my options were either sell that car to some random person, or I could give it to one of you guys, because I cannot afford to have this car, my C8, and my black Hellcat, because I'm wide body in the C8. There's a lot of this stuff costs a lot of money, and I'm not made of money. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give away my black 800 horsepower wide body Hellcat to one of you. So here's how it works. Starting June 4th, every $1 spent on JudasGarage.com, whether it's a hoodie, a sticker, whatever it is, every $1 gets you one entry towards winning that. So someone is gonna be winning that car. I'm doing it 100% legit. I just have to pay a giveaway company like $5 grand to do it 100% legit. One of you guys that buys a hoodie, a t-shirt, a sticker is gonna win that car. And not only is one of you guys gonna win that car, but me personally is gonna hand deliver it to you. I'm gonna knock on your door and surprise you. So it's gonna be sick. I'm super hyped about it, and it's also a big risk because if I don't sell enough hoodies or anything, I still got to give away my car. So I hope you guys support me on this, and if there's ever a chance for you guys to enter a giveaway or a lottery, I know you guys all be playing the lottery, all this. If there's ever a chance of you winning anything, it is on this giveaway, because your chances are actually really good. Now, I mean, if there's ever a chance of you winning something, this is the time. And if you don't win, you still get a sick hoodie or sick t-shirt. So stay tuned. June 4th, mark the freaking date, and I will see you on the next video on the road trip home back to Florida.